Hey guys, this is not a very normal video because it's at, hold on, let me check, 9:27, yeah, and I'm doing a fidget spinner video. I'm just going to be showing you guys my collection, but before we start, I need to tell you guys one thing. I don't know where my green fidget spinner is. It has, if you guys know about these things in the middle right here, yeah, I have one with green with like different emojis on it. So I need to hurry up and do this video before my phone runs out. So I need to show you guys something. Here, I need to set this phone up. Okay, so I took one bearing out, these things. If you guys don't know, this is a bearing. As you know, some people could go with their finger like that, but it's actually pretty hard because I took my bearing out. So let's get this on. So if you spin it like pretty easy and you shake your hand like this with one bearing out, I'll show you. It's pretty hard to explain, but I'll show you. Look. It'll stay spinning. But it's pretty hard. If you shake it really hard, it will keep spinning. As long as you stay shaking. Okay, that's that one. Hold on, I'm gonna pop the bearing back in. Oh my god. Okay, got it. See? You can just go like that, or if you want, you can just go like this. Okay, dang it, that's on my foot. On to this one. This one's actually a lot more smoother. Here, look, you could probably hear it. Whoa, I just hit glass. Yeah, see? Okay, I thought my phone stopped recording. Alright, so this is the red version of the green outer bearing fidget spinner. Yeah, as I showed you in the first part. This is not a two-part video, just so you guys know. This, yeah, I had a green one, not a full green one like the other one that I showed you, but it had green these things. Oh, found the other piece of it. The outer part on the bearing was missing, and I just found it. It was right in front of my face. Wow, I must be going blind. This is gonna pop out as soon as I hit it. So, this one is just a basic old yellow one that you could have got at the fair. This is the ones that you can only get at the fair. These are the dope ones. These were like 20 bucks. So, this one is pretty smooth. I'm gonna show you guys one more time. So I'm gonna try to do a couple checks. I'm innocent. I told you guys. It'll pop out. I'm gonna try that one more time. And I'm gonna end this video. One finger and toss it up and catch it. Oh yeah, guys, I got a new puppy. Look, hey, is that you? You good girl. Yeah, it's a she. Her name's Cleo, named after. I don't know who that is, but I just heard it, and then we call her Cleopatra when she gets in trouble. You can see where she scratched me. Right here. I have a big ass scratch down going from here all the way across my face right there, but it's hard to see. So that's gonna wrap up this video. Stay cool, subscribe, like, and keep coming. Wait, no, that shouldn't be my outro. I'm scared I'll think of another one sometime. Just stay cool.